Magical reality. Let photos sing your favorite songs. Astonishing remix. Elvis Presley photo tribute. This video showcases a fascinating ability making your beloved photos come to life and sing. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. In this special tribute, the focus is on Elvis Presley's photo and his iconic songs, honoring the legacy of this legendary musician. Let's immerse ourselves in his musical world and appreciate his unique charm and talent.
Little things I should have said and done, I just never took the time. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind.
Like the river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes.